Do not put salt under your tongue unless you want to stay ready all night and make your wife melt like a waterfall. Seriously, this salt trick turned my husband into a bull in bed before he struggled and even used those magic pills. But after he started doing this simple 15-second salt trick under his tongue, he tossed the pills away. What used to be a problem turned into an iron anaconda, and even at 61 years old, he's putting guys in their 20s to shame. I've never seen anything like it. Seems like the salt supercharges blood flow to the area, making everything firmer, stronger, and more long-lasting than never before. This works even for men over 70 or 80 because it's 100% natural. A friend of a friend told me her husband, who's 78, had been dealing with issues since he was 43. Now she says she has to beg for a break because he's making up for lost time. Curious, my husband made a free video showing step by step how any man can do this salt trick at home. Just click the link in the description or the pinned comment to watch. Imagine making your wife scream, roll her eyes back, and tremble with pleasure tonight, and still waking up tomorrow ready for more with the tent pitched. As a woman, I can guarantee your wife will thank you for discovering this simple and powerful solution. Click the link below and get your Nitrox Pro while it's still available, because I don't know how long we'll be able to offer this special deal. Don't miss out on the chance to make a real difference in your intimate life. Act fast, stock is limited,